Hello everyone, this is Jano Bhatia from Gossi Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic what does BTU AC mean? BTU AC, the acronym is the British Thermal Unit Air Conditioner, which is the thermal energy measurement unit. In particular, 11 pounds of water at sea level requires energy. You can see the regular updation in the video. The metric is defined as regards the sum of BTUs that the device will add or subtract from the air per hour when used with respect to air conditioning systems or heater. This may not mean much for you if you don't include you in the manufacture or retail of refrigeration and heating supplies. To order to cool your room properly, we consider using our BTU cooling machine to calculate the precise quantity of BTUs from your air conditioner. Nonetheless, some general BTU recommendations have been given below to help you begin. Let's start with them one by one. The first one is LG LW8016ER 8000 BTU air conditioner. This model has been designed to be one of the most effective window AC units available in the market. It's the best overall window for our list, which keeps the value and price perfectly balanced. One of the biggest reason why this model is the best overall window AC is because it saves up to 15% of electricity in a year. In addition, it has 12.1 EER, the save your power. It has a cooling capacity of 8000 BTU AC and cools up to 340 square feet comfortably. Second one in the list is Black Decker BPACT08WT 8000 BTU air conditioner. This can operate effectively in a room up to 150 square feet with a refrigeration capacity of 8000 BTU AC. However, it has 3 speeds of cooling and fan to control the temperature. The mode is also dehumidifying and is designed to generate fresh air in vertical motions for your entire house. It is one of the remote controlled, so you can adjust the temperature settings from your own convenience. Third one is LG 1516ER 15000 BTU air conditioner. LG is known for its trustworthiness. The AC has quite an impressive range of highly effective and practical air conditioning versions. This Energy Star certified LG model is designed to provide cool rooms up to 800 square feet and offers unparalleled energy efficiency and is easy to operate and program. This AC is summer champion with a strong 15,000 BTUs. It comes with many features like 24-hour timer, energy saving mode and remote programming. Third one in this list is Friedrich Chill Series CP15G10B 15500 air conditioner. The latest entry of the Chill series is a fast acting cooler room that can be operated quietly and with advanced energy efficiency and covers a surface area of 700 meters square. Few models offer more reliable performance than this for comprehensive cooling coverage. The comfort of summertime is virtually guaranteed if you decide to buy this window-mounted AC from Chill series. Next one is LG LW1216ER window-mounted air conditioner. This is a popular model and this AC has many useful features and is available at good price. The features of this model impressed us. It comes with on or off programming. The timer will not allow you to program the AC but will also reduce your expenses because if you are not at home, you do not have to leave the unit. The AC has an energy efficient alternatives that reduces its use. This model includes up to 12,000 cooling BTUs with an area of up to 550 squares. Last but not the least, conclusion. It is easy to buy anything if you have money in your hand, but it is more important to maintain it. So always look for a good deal to buy the best product. I have listed above BTUs AC variations for all sets. If you want to buy then, just don't. If you buy then, you can visit the market or you can purchase it online from any website. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel. And don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.